Hi folks, today I'm going to show you how to replace a wheel, how to fix a flat actually on a Milwaukee hand truck. What I have here is a Milwaukee hand truck, we call it a Dolly. Yeah, it's upside down right now, but this is what it looks like. Okay, and what I have here is flat tire. Right, this tire is flat. This one is okay, and I've been trying to remove the tube so that I can fix the flat. The problem is that this tire is so tight in here that it's almost impossible to remove. And then show you right here. I try to use a screwdriver, trying to pry out the tire, and look at this. It's already bent. See that? The rim is already bent, and this rim is very thin. It's very thin metal. It's not designed to withstand that force. So there's no way I can remove the tire without damaging the rim. So even when I can remove the tire and fix the tube inside it, when I put it back, the rim's already damaged. So what's the point of fixing it? Fixing the tube, right? So I thought of another solution to replace with another wheel, entire wheel, easier and faster. And what I have here is a Harbor Freight. I believe this is 10-inch wheel. This is exactly the same size. Let me see the same size. It is exactly the same size as this wheel right here. So I'm going to try to replace it with the Harbor Freight. So this one I bought from Harbor Freight for only $4, and with the coupons and everything it's less than $4. So what a deal. And to buy the tube to fix this is, I think it's even more than $4. So why bother, right? Just replace the entire thing. And I guess next time if that tire go flat, I'm just gonna get another one like this and put it in on the other side to make it match. But for right now, this should do. Doesn't look pretty because the two wheels are gonna be different, but that is the solution right now, and that's gonna do it. Alright, so what we have here is just the wheel, and there's a washer thing that is put in here to hold the wheel inside the axle. So I guess you just have to pry it out, and this is really hard. I don't know how I'm gonna do this yet. But let's just try it out right now, see if that works. Okay. If that doesn't work, I'm going to go for plan B. Seems hard. It's designed to stay in one place. Doesn't want to come out. So let's try something different. Alright, got my Dremel tool, and well, when I say Dremel, it's actually a Black & Decker. but you got the idea. So I'm gonna cut this part right here and see. It's gonna make it easier for me to remove, because right now it's impossible to remove it. So alright, let's see what's up. Still hard. Come on. It moves a bit. Wow. Hope not gonna break my favorite screwdriver. It's designed not to be removed. So let's see if we can remove something not supposed to be removed. Getting loose, but not there yet. Alright, so I've got a plier. It was quite easy. So after I made a cut on here, let's see if you can see it. Made a cut right here, okay, right there. And horizontal cut. If you cut it this way, the ring is gonna be useless. So just cut this way, and then one little piece came out. That way I can put in the screw and pry it. And it came out quite easy. Just use a plier and then pull it out just like that. Quite easy. And here it goes. Not sure how to fix the tube inside here, but I'm not gonna do that right now. Probably that's gonna go to the trash. So here's the Harbor Freight. Just like that. Cool. Alright. Looks nicer too. I mean, this is an upgrade. So let me make this a little bit tighter. Let's see. So just trying to make this hole smaller. So when I put it here, it's tight enough to hold my wheel in. Alright. Like so. It's not gonna come out. Nope. There you go. Good to go. A little bit weak. I mean, the pressure a little bit low, but just gonna pump it up. And let me show you the Harbor Freight wheel. It's held back by 4 bolts, right? And it's not welded together. The front plate and the back plate, the rim for the rim, they're not welded together. They're only held back by 4 bolts. So when you have a flat tire again, You just have to remove these 4 bolts and separate the rim, and you can get the tube out, and that will make the fix a lot easier rather than trying to pry out the tire, because this tire inside the rim here, I'm not sure you can see it, let me try to show you, but here it is. It's all welded together. There's no way you can remove the front and separate the front and the back plate of the rim. The only way is to pry it out, but look at that, how very damaged the rim. So that's impossible. I'm not sure what to do with this. Probably just gonna throw it away. But here it is. That's how you fix a wheel on a Milwaukee hand truck. It doesn't look pretty because right now this wheel is not the same as the other one, but who cares, right? It works. It's the same size. It even looks prettier. Alright folks, that's all I have, and thank you for watching.